Okay, so we're busy with activity 19 and specifically the debtors ledger. Now, debtors ledger is the specific accounts of every specific debtor that we've got for the business. And a debtor is somebody that owes the business money. Gary Goosen is the one guy that owes us money. What is our business? In this case, it's Yellow Boathouse. Diana Dippenaar owes us money, and Zanelli Malloy. So in this video, I'm just going to do Diana Dippenaar. Okay, so on the left hand or debit side, I'm just bringing it down from the top. That is when the account increases. And when the account decreases, when the person owes less to the business, it will be written on the credit side of the account. Okay, so this is a statement that will be sent out to the client. Diana Dippenaar will get this in the post or on email, and she wants to know what are all the transactions that she did with the business Yellow Boathouse. Okay, so explaining how this account works. Diana Dippenaar on the first owed 9,000 to the business. On the second, she bought through an invoice. Gave her invoice, and we wrote it in the debtors journal, and she owes 10,000 more. Now she owes 19,000 at the end of that day. Then there was another discount given, DAJ, so 900 Rand was decreased on this account, and now she only owes 19,025. Then she bought again on the 14th. It increases her account, and from 19,000 plus 920 we go to 19,945. Okay, so Diana Dippenaar, that's the account, but where do I get all this information? Firstly, the opening balance. We'll get that from a debtors list normally, and the debtors list says 9669 on the 28th of February. The next day is the 1st of March. So 1st of March, she owes 9669. Then we must go and look for Diana Dippenaar's name in different journals. Everything, if she's a debtor, we can only look in the debtors journal, debtors allowances journal, and we can also look in the CRJ. Alright, now, then we must also understand that it must be in the right date order, because if we do business with somebody and we send them out a statement, this dates cannot be mixed up. It must be in the right date order. Okay, so the 2nd, the 9th, and the 14th. Okay, so I'm going to go to the DJ and I'm going to look for Diana Dippenaar's name. I see Diana Dippenaar's on the 2nd and on the 14th, and that's in the DJ. Okay, I'm going to look at the amounts just now. Diana Dippenaar's name is also in the debtors allowances journal, that's on the 9th. But it's first the 2nd, then it's the 9th, and then it's the 14th. There was no name of Diana Dippenaar in the CRJ, so in the CRJ I don't see Diana Dippenaar's name with credit sales. I see it with cash sales here, Diana Dippenaar, but remember, it's only when it's on credit, only when it's in the folio when you see D1, D2, D3 here, that it goes to the debtors ledger. This means it goes to the debtors ledger. Okay, so I don't see Diana Dippenaar's name under debtors here, on the debtors here. Okay, so first thing I want to do is, okay, so I'm busy with Diana Dippenaar's account, right, and I'm going to do the 2nd first. Okay, the 2nd, day 2 first. Okay, so in the DJ, I see Diana Dippenaar's name. On the 2nd, I see 892. Now, if it's in a debtors journal, it means that document is an invoice. So it's invoice 892. The amount that we sold it to her for was 10,256. Okay, so I'm increasing her account with 10,256. That's how I got that amount, and it comes from the debtors journal. Right, then I see Diana Dippenaar's name again on the 9th, 111. What is this? Debtors allowances journal. So this document is called a credit note, and the amount is 900. So there's a 900. It decreases the account to 19,025, and then again on the 14th. The next time I see Diana Dippenaar's name, 895, again, debtors journal, so it's an invoice, 920. So there's the 920, increasing it from 19,025 plus 920, and now at the end of the month she owes 19,945.